Hi engineers, welcome back. Today I'll be showcasing the latest updates and new features in RHCES Estimator version 3.17. Let's get started. In this version, you can now import the ETABS model from the Open ETABS model, as you can see in the 3D extruded model of the ETABS model. Now let's go back to the RHCES Estimator app, select the Import Model tab, and select the ETABS icon. The Import from ETABS form will show, and you can set the size of the footing as per your requirement or just use the default size. Click Import once the settings are done. And the dashboard section of the RHCES Estimator app will be shown in a quick and fast process. Click OK to close the message box, and click the 3D model section to show the imported models from ETABS. As you can see, the model is shown as a solid color, and you can also switch to the concrete view. In a short period of time, you can now see the whole 3D structure of your project. You can also show the reinforcement of the elements, and it will generate the default reinforcement. Now we need to edit the reinforcement elements such as anchorage, splice length, reinforcement size, and other requirements as per the project specifications. That's it for this tutorial. As you can see, the RHCES Estimator allows you to seamlessly import your ETABS model, visualize the full 3D structure, and automatically generate quantity takeoffs for concrete and reinforcement. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.